Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Cece, and this week I decided to do something a little bit different. As you can probably tell by how I look, this isn't your typical everyday get ready with me. I wanted to do shark inspired makeup, and no, nobody requested this, nobody wanted this. So here's just something from the depths of my mind that I decided to put on my face on a Wednesday night with nowhere to go. And now I'm going to do my Spanish homework. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope that you recreate this shark beat. Have fun. Good. I really should have done the thing where you do one eye first and then the other one, but we're just going to go in. Okay, so as you can see, I had to put down a lot of translucent powder because we're going to be using a lot of colors today and a lot of new shadows, and I didn't want it to get too wild. So to start things off, we're going to go in with a transition shade. We're going to be using the third shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using a Morphe M573, so it's nice and fluffy. Okay, so now we're going to start with the blues, and I'm going to start with this blue shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH, and we're just going to start it off. Alright, so now to deepen things up, we're going to be going in with this navy blue shade from the Morphe 39A palette, and we're going to keep it nice and tight because we don't want this color to like get everywhere because it's really dark and dramatic. Alright, so now we're going to be going in with a teeny tiny brush and the black from this palette just to really darken up the outer corners because they're not as intense as I would like them to be. Alright, so now as a base for our glitter, we're going to be going in with this shimmer from the Morphe 39A palette, and we're going to be putting silver glitter on top of it, so I don't know how much you'll actually be able to see. Alright, and now we're going to be going in with some Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm just going to squirt a little bit of that on my hand, and then we're going to put it on my face with this teeny tiny brush. What time is it? 7:26. Riverdale. Okay, so now we're looking pretty fly, but we're also looking pretty unblended. So we're going to go back in with some of those blue tones from earlier and blend out this halo. Okay, so now we're nice and blended, but I'm still feeling like this look isn't giving me exactly what I need. So I'm going to figure out how to do some fun eyeliner, and then I'll be right back and I'll come do it. Okay, so I'm back. We're gonna be doing some silver liner. So I'm gonna shape tape like the shape where my winged liner would go, and then we're gonna fill it in with this Super Shock shadow. It's called Liberty from ColourPop, and it is super pretty and shiny and pigmented, and it's really gonna bring together that shark look. So I put some on my hand, and now I have like a little angled brush that you would use for eyeliner or your eyebrows or whatever. And now we're all just going to pray for me. Brainstorming. The one side looks perfect, and then this side is like having an attack. A shark attack. But like not in a good way. So, as you saw, that was very struggleful. So if you're doing this at home, take your time, be patient, and we're gonna start in with the silver. So I'm gonna be using a teeny tiny brush. I think that this is technically like a lip brush. So just find the smallest brush you can, and I'm gonna be using Make It Last by Milani to like wet the shadow and make it more creamy, so it'll be like an eyeliner. Okay, so now we have our shark tails on. We're gonna do the lower lash line, and then we're gonna see how it looks, and then we're gonna decide if we need to make any sharktastic changes. Okay, so let's be honest, I look like a shark. This is amazing. And I'm going to go finish off my face, eyebrows, lashes, highlight, blush, and then I'm gonna come talk to you guys and show you the finished product, and it's gonna be fun. Okay, so this is the finished look. As you can see, I'm very blue, I'm very ocean. I paired it with a dark lip because I wanted it to look like blood, like I just like eat something, but I didn't have any blood colors, so I just went for dark. I don't have the lipstick on me, but I'll go link it in the bio if you want it. I know it's ColourPop. And there you have it. If you ever wanted to look like a shark, now's your time. Bye everybody, I hope you have a great week, and I hope you have a sharktastic weekend. Bye.